Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're tackling a question many beginners have: Elementor Free versus Pro. Which one should you start with? If you're new to WordPress or just getting into website building, this video will help you decide which version of Elementor is right for you. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell, so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Let's start with Elementor Free. If you're just beginning your web design journey, Elementor Free is a fantastic starting point. It's completely free and packed with essential features to build simple yet functional websites. The drag-and-drop editor is super intuitive, allowing you to build pages visually without writing any code. You'll get around 30 basic widgets, including headings, images, buttons, and more. Plus, you can easily create responsive pages that look great on both desktop and mobile. Elementor Free also offers about 40 templates that you can use right away. These templates are great for creating landing pages, portfolios, or basic blogs. Now, let's talk about Elementor Pro. While it's a paid upgrade, it's designed to take your website to the next level, even if you're a beginner. The Pro version unlocks over 90 premium widgets, like forms, carousels, price tables, and much more. If you're planning to build a more dynamic website, Elementor Pro's theme builder is a game changer. You can customize your header, footer, archive pages, and even build single post layouts from scratch. This makes it easier to maintain a consistent look throughout your site. Another great feature for beginners is the pop-up builder. Instead of relying on third-party plugins, you can create custom pop-ups directly within Elementor. This is perfect for email opt-ins, announcements, and special offers. And let's not forget about the templates. With Pro, you get access to over 300 templates and full website kits, making it super easy to design professional-looking pages without much effort. Which one should beginners choose? So, which version should beginners go for? If you're working on a personal project, blog, or a simple website, Elementor Free is more than enough to get started. You'll learn the basics of website building without feeling overwhelmed. However, if you're aiming to create more dynamic, professional-looking websites or plan to take on client projects, Elementor Pro is a smart investment. The added features are worth it, especially for long-term use. To sum it up, Elementor Free is perfect for beginners who want to experiment with web design without spending money. But if you're serious about building professional websites or scaling up your skills, Elementor Pro is definitely worth the upgrade. Which version are you planning to start with, Free or Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beginner-friendly web design tutorials. See you in the next video.